What's up, YouTube? This is episode 66 of Through the Mail Autographs. We like to get autographs through the mail. Baseball, football, basketball, wrestling, actors, golf, whoever signs, we're going to be there. Today we got, I don't know, I didn't count them, but this is what we got in the mailbox today. And we also have a purchase we're going to go over, actually a couple purchases. So let's do the through the mails first. Cool. This is 6 for 6 in 9 days. Dan Schatzter, his rookie card, 87. That's a 78 tops, 87 tops, 88. Her 87 Fleer, 90 Donruss, 91 Donruss, and another rookie card. I just wanted to get those rookie cards signed, so I found some other stuff to send to him because I didn't have one of his rookie cards. 5 for 5 in 9 days. Ken McMullen, 77. 73, a 67, a 64, and a 77. I think I needed the 77 and the 64. I think I might have needed another one of those too for the sets. 3 for 3 in 9 days. We asked Mr. Lucas, what is your favorite baseball memory? First Major League start, April 1980. So it was Gary Lucas. I wanted to get one of these 84 Fleer updates. I love this set. 81 Donruss and 88 Donruss. For some reason I thought I sent him a couple more cards, but he might have kept them. That's okay. I don't mind. I got the update card. That's all I wanted, really. 2 for 2 in 9 days. I needed this 59 Topps card. There's a 61 card, but I think I only needed this one. I'm not sure. I might have needed that one too. I'm trying to go through and find out what I need and only send what I need to some of these people. 3 for 3 in 9 days. Because, like I said, some of these older guys are dropping like flies, so I got to get them before you can't get them anymore. There's Marty Ko. This is nice. Get a nice autograph. 66 tops, 59 tops. I think I need that for the set. 62 tops. I might need that for the set too. I don't know. Nice. Love those 59s. This was $5 and it was 1 of 1. Who's this? I don't even remember. Oh, get out of there. Ah, it's a nice card though. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Johnny Groth. He charges $5 a card, and this is a 56 tops, I believe. I might already have this. I think I ended up actually buying 2, and I went ahead and paid $5 for him to sign it. 4 for 4 for 9 days. I'll take a signed card over an unsigned card any day. There we go. Manager Joe Morgan, Red Sox manager, 88 to 91. I asked him what his biggest baseball memory is. Interim manager, 12 straight wins, a big league record. Awesome. Didn't know that. There's a 91 tops. A couple of those. And a 60 tops. I love his player era cards. Didn't even know he was a player until recently. That's crazy, isn't it? There's 5 for 5 in 16 days. Bob Otis, 1960, World Series champs, Pittsburgh Pirates. I was going through my common box and I found some of these. And I was like, didn't have any of these signed, so that's when they hadn't sent them to him, and he signed them for me. 4 for 4 in 16 days. Here's one for the set. Dan Graham, 82 tops, 82 tops, and a couple 81 tops. Getting a lot closer for the 82 sets. 4 for 3. I sent him 3 in 36 days, and he sent me 4 back. Dave Roberts, 73 tops, 75 tops, 74 tops, and he sent me a pamphlet, but I had so much stuff to go through today, I just left it out. It was kind of cool. 4 for 4 in 44 days. Don Money, nice. 71 tops, that's a beautiful card. 73 tops, 77 tops, and you know I love my Kellogg's cards. Or not Kellogg's, but Hostess. I love any food issue cards. Those are like some of my favorites. I used to always eat all that food when I was a kid just to get the cards. 6 for 6 in 65 days. I remember buying thousands of Wonder Bread things to get the cards in the 90s. Don Kessinger, nice. 71 tops. 70 tops All-Star. 73 tops, 70 tops. 69 All-Star. And a 75 tops. Nice. 6 for 6. That's beautiful. This cost me $5. It was 2 for 2. I don't remember who this is. Hector Lopez. Normally, if I send him like really old cards like this, I usually send him $5. Just because I really want to get my old card signed. But I sent him $5, got those 2 cards signed. He doesn't normally require a fee. I asked him what his favorite baseball memory was. 7 RBIs in the 61 World Series versus the Reds. Wow. That's awesome. That's great, man. 7 RBIs. 1 for 1 in 9 days. This should be something good, maybe. There we go. This cost me $10. Jerry Koosman, 2nd-year card. I worked in a baseball card shop back in the day. That was one of my first jobs back in the day, and I actually ended up owning my own shop for years after that. But I remember working for my first card shop, and guys would come in all the time. Do you have that Jerry Koosman rookie? I really like Jerry Koosman. He's my favorite player, and I've been trying to find his rookie card. Yeah, they were thinking that I was a 20-year-old kid, and they thought I was dumb, and I was going to give them a Nolan Ryan rookie card for $1 or something. I was like, yeah, you can have one, but it's about, $300. It's got Nolan Ryan on it, too. Oh, I didn't know that. I was like, yeah, right. But like I said, I had so many people try to scam me out of a Nolan Ryan rookie. Here's Jim Colburn, 77 tops, 75 tops, 76 tops, and we asked him what his favorite baseball memory was. Pitched a no-hitter. Nice. Can't get better than that. Well, I guess you could. A perfect game would be better, but that's pretty nice, man. But there's the through the mail autographs we got today. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. We got 16 back today. That's pretty good. My favorite one would probably be the Jerry Koosman. I really like that card. That's a cool card. And then the Hector Lopez would be my second favorite. But let me know what you guys think is your favorite. I'm glad you checked this out if you want to. I'm going to go through what the mail that I've got. I had 2 orders come in from eBay today. I bought this off a guy. I can't even remember who it was. He kind of made me a little angry because he does a buy it now with best offer, but he'll only take 50 cents below his your offer. I mean, I tried like 99 cents. Like he had, I think I paid $12 for these or something. I can't remember how much they were. They're $4 or $5 a piece. But like he might have had like $4.99 on this, and I offered like $4, and he took like $4.50 or something. I just hate people that nickel and dime. Just go ahead and make it 99 cents. I would say off. But it kind of made me angry. But I needed these cards for the 59 set. Like I said, I might have had $14 in these 3 or something. But Frank Malzoni, I'm not sure if he's deceased or not, but needed that. Randy Jackson, I didn't have that. And Frank Foils, didn't have that one either. So some nice cards to add to my 50s collection right there. And then I bought a 1985 top set, and there was 124 of them already signed. So I'll go through that. And I also bought 50-some 85 tops cards off another guy signed. So maybe we'll start getting this set pretty well finished. Not finished, but getting up there. Like there's Alejandro Pena, Pete Filson, Paul Owens, Don Schultz, Johnny Ray, Jeff Burrows, Bryn Smith, Charlie Moore, Mike Marshall, Scott Fletcher, Don Baylor, Dick Williams, Pat Zachary, Dave Rozema, Ed Nunez, Chris Bando. Wow, there's a nice one. Brett Saberhagen, rookie. Ralph Hoke, Dwight Gooden, the Doctor, Don Sutton, rest in peace, buddy. Brett Butler, always one of my favorite players. Marvis Foley, Tom Nieto, Jerry Don Gleaton, Carney Lansford, I always liked him too. He was a good ball player. John Franco, rookie card. Sweet. Dave Wellman. Corey Snyder, USA team. Awesome. Billy Swift, USA team. I love these USA team. Pat Pacilio. John Hoover. Who's that? Mike Dunn. Don August. I forgot he was in that set. Bert Robesch. Denny Walling. Jeff Newman. Jeff Reardon. Nice. That's a good one. That's a $5 one normally. Danny Ozark. Tony Pena. Terry Pendleton. There's some people in here that didn't TTM for a long time, so I like that. Bill Russell. Wade Boggs. Ted Power. Andy McGaffigan. Ron Oster. Manny Trio. Harold Baines. Well, that's the newer kind of version of his autograph. And there's another one later that it looks a little different. Jeff Burrows. Doug Baker. Chuck Tanner. I always liked Chuck Tanner. I bet you Math Bowler will like that one. Everybody loves Chuck Tanner, especially if they're a Pirates fan. Juan Samuel. He was a good ball player. Brian Little. Brad Golden. Harold Baines. See, his autograph's different there. It's like written out completely. So I don't know if that's a vintage autograph or if it's no good. I don't know. I'll have to do some research. Mike Jones. But most of these ones looked pretty good, though. Tim Tuffle. Mark Thurman. Ed Jurek. Danny Darwin. Gerald Perry. John Tudor. He's another guy that charges money. George Vukovic. Phil Garner. I always liked him. Pete O'Brien. Dave Stegman. Bob Lillis. Phil Stein. Pat Tabler. He was a good one. Shout out to Reindeer Studios. If I can get your name out there, Scott. I love that card. Biddy DiStefano. I remember him. Ah, nice. Dick Schofield. I need to send that to his son. That's awesome. I haven't tried his son yet, but I saw some people getting him back. Ernie Witt. Rupert Jones. Man, that's only about half of them. Holy cow. This is awesome. Pat Corrales. Tommy Herr. Jim Wolford. Darrell Evans. There's some good ones in here. Nick Asaski. Ned Yost. Jerry Royster. I remember him. He was a good one. Ron Say. I liked him. Jerry Remy. Rob Piccolo. I believe he's deceased now. Ken Singleton. Julio Cruz. Gary Templeton. John Henry Johnson. Frank Pastore. Mike Boddicker. Jerry Royce. Joaquin Andujar. Mark Hoosman. Scott Thompson. Johnny Grubb. Steve Henderson. Shane Raleigh. Dwight Gooden rookie card. Awesome. Al Williams. Doug Frobel. Butch Weiniger. Ken Oberfell with the classic throwback signature, not the chicken scratch he does now. Joe Antebelli. Joe Youngblood. Bob Stanley. Don Robinson. Rich Gedman. Dave Dravecki. David Palmer. Danny Cox. Donnie Scott. Dan Shetster. Hey, we just got him today. Dan Shetster. Jason Thompson. Joel Skinner. Frank Williams. Mike Smithson. Tim Wallach. I think he charges now too. Ah, there we go. Ryan Sandberg. Jim Sundberg. Fernando Valenzuela. Junior Ortiz. Al Jones. Ken Forsch. Dan Petrie. Gene Richards. UL Washington. He charges like $3 a piece now. But there you go. 124 1985 cards. Plus I got 90% of the set too. This is like some of the main rookies were gone, like Kirby Puckett and Roger Clemens, and some of those were gone. But bought it all. I think I paid $220 for it, and 125 of them are signed. There's a ton of guys still left that I can get signed through the mail. So I could see this going up to 200 pretty soon. Plus I ordered another 55. So, all right, guys, my time's up. I'm running out of time. Hopefully I can edit this a little bit. thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, hit the all button so you can get all my videos. Peace.